Hi everyone, this is Virgil. Welcome back to the Design and Fabric Viewer. Today I'm going to talk about an exciting new feature, well, exciting for me, hopefully exciting for you, and that is the incorporation of the Nora Corbett Encyclopedia into the viewer. This was originally started by Dana DeGroot, and she made a web page for every single pattern out there. She did a lot of work. But it wasn't very searchable. The pictures, you couldn't see the pictures right away, and she was looking for something a little better for the people who wanted to use it. So she's agreed to incorporate that encyclopedia into the website, and I'm very excited to show it to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the Tools menu. So click that. We have a new tool called the Nora Corbett Encyclopedia. Go ahead and click that. And here we go. So this is all the patterns we have for her. 524. She has been very busy. And if you don't really know what you're looking for, you can scroll down until you see something that looks good for you. You can also do some searches up here. It'll search by name, by publisher. If we have a collection name, it'll do the collection name, different things like that. So like if you wanted to do the greenhouses, so there's the greenhouses there. If you wanted to do a mermaid, a lot of ladies like mermaids, 51 of them out on file. So lots of different things there. So I'm going to start, I'm going to do the rose pixie as a sample, I think. So I type in rose, I got 22 matches, everything with the word rose in it. And there we go, there's the rose pixie. So you can see the picture, the name, who published it. From here, we can go to the details or the gallery. So let's go to the details. There you pick up the pattern number, stitch count, whether it's out of print, whatever. Down in the additional information, you have any information that might be on file for that particular pattern. You could take a look at the gallery. So there's a sample from the publisher. There we go, that we uploaded for you to take a look at as a start. So as if other people start uploading theirs, you'll see those as well. So very easy to use. Like I said, you could search, you can scroll, two little buttons, details and gallery to get you started with. Dana is going to bring the rest of the information over that we have. We have a couple other publishers that we don't have in the viewer yet. We're going to make sure we have all the copyright set up for that. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So have a wonderful day.